panoramic view from the slide out. I am standing between the recliners and the dinette. You'll notice there are windows on 3 sides of the sofa. We have the main entrance door. On a panel here by the door are all of the controls. Moving around, you have the entertainment center. The TV swivels so it can be seen from the sofa. And the fireplace is there. This is directly opposite the 2 recliners, but the surprise is what is behind the TV. The hand reaches out, the wall opens to reveal a hidden pantry with plenty of storage, place for your brooms, hanging hats, jackets, whatever you need. Next is the refrigerator, and then it moves on into the kitchen area. When the camper is moving, the silverware and the coffee maker sit down in the sink so that if we hit a bump, they will not fall.